Have you ever paused to wonder just how far apart the planets in our solar system really are? It's an intriguing question that sparks curiosity. Today, we're going to explore this vast expanse known as outer space and delve into the distances between our celestial neighbors. Starting with the closest planet to the Sun, we have Mercury. This tiny scorching world is a mere 36 million miles away from the Sun. That might sound like a great distance, but in the grand scheme of the cosmos, it's akin to a short stroll in the park. Next in line, we have Venus, our sister planet, approximately 67 million miles away from the Sun. From Mercury, Venus is about 25 million miles away. If we were to travel at the speed of light, it would take roughly 2 minutes and 10 seconds to reach Venus from Mercury. Moving away from the Sun, we encounter our home, Earth. Earth orbits at a distance of about 93 million miles from the Sun. The gap between Venus and Earth? A relatively small 26 million miles. At light speed, we could make this journey in just over 2 minutes. Mars, the red planet, orbits the Sun at about 141 million miles away. The journey from Earth to Mars, depending on their relative positions, can vary from 33 million to 250 million miles. This trip could take anywhere from 3 minutes to 22 minutes at light speed. Next, we find the gas giant Jupiter, orbiting at a staggering distance of 483 million miles from the Sun. The distance from Mars to Jupiter can range from 330 million to 597 million miles. This journey could take from 30 to 64 minutes at light speed. Saturn, with its spectacular rings, is about 886 million miles from the Sun. The distance from Jupiter to Saturn can vary from 400 to 674 million miles, which could take from 45 to 75 minutes at light speed. Uranus, the ice giant, orbits the Sun at a distance of approximately 1.78 billion miles. The distance from Saturn to Uranus can range from 760 million to 1.6 billion miles, translating to a light speed journey of about an hour and 20 minutes to 3 hours. Lastly, we have the mysterious Neptune, orbiting the Sun at a distance of approximately 2.79 billion miles. The distance from Uranus to Neptune can vary from 1.1 billion to 2.7 billion miles. This journey could take from 2 hours to almost 5 hours at light speed. In summary, the distances between the planets in our solar system are incredibly vast. From the 36 million miles between the Sun and Mercury to the staggering 2.79 billion miles from the Sun to Neptune, these distances remind us of the immense scale of our universe. Remember, these are distances that light, the fastest thing in the universe, would take minutes to hours to traverse. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the immense distances that separate these celestial bodies. It truly is a vast and wondrous cosmos we live in.